Tosca Online Training. Introduction to Tosca, Overview and Purpose. Tosca, short for Topology and Orchestration Specification for Cloud Applications, is a standard designed to simplify the management and orchestration of complex applications and services across multiple cloud environments. Here's an overview of Tosca and its purpose. Overview of Tosca. Standardization. Tosca provides a standardized way to describe cloud applications and their infrastructure requirements, regardless of the underlying technology or platform. Language. It uses a domain-specific language, DSL, to define application topologies, their components, relationships, and operational behaviors. Orchestration. Tosca enables automated deployment, scaling, and management of applications by describing their topology and the relationships between their components. Compatibility. It supports interoperability across various cloud platforms and tools, promoting portability and reducing vendor lock-in. Life cycle management. It covers the entire application life cycle, from deployment through scaling to decommissioning, ensuring consistency and reliability. Purpose of Tosca. Cloud application modeling. Tosca allows developers and operators to model complex applications and their infrastructure needs in a consistent and reusable manner. Automation. It facilitates automation of deployment and management tasks, improving efficiency and reducing human error. Portability. By abstracting application configurations from underlying infrastructure details, Tosca promotes portability across different cloud providers and environments. Scalability and resilience. Tosca helps in designing applications that can scale seamlessly and maintain resilience by defining how components interact and react to changes in the environment. Standardization. It provides a common language and framework for cloud application management, making it easier to collaborate and integrate diverse tools and systems. Tosca architecture, components and framework. Tosca, Topology and Orchestration Specification for Cloud Applications, is an industry-standard language for describing cloud infrastructure and applications. Its architecture revolves around several key components and frameworks. Tosca Simple Profile in YAML. This is the specification language used to define cloud services, their components, relationships, and operational behavior. It uses YAML syntax for readability and simplicity. Tosca Metamodel defines the types and templates that can be used to describe cloud applications. It includes node types, example compute, storage, relationship types, example hosted on, connects to, capability types, example scalable, load balancer, and policy types, example placement policies. Tosca service templates. These are the instances of Tosca templates that describe a particular cloud application or service. They provide a blueprint for how to deploy and manage the application across different cloud environments. Tosca Orchestrator. The orchestrator interprets Tosca service templates and manages the life cycle of cloud applications based on these templates. It handles provisioning, scaling, monitoring, and other operational tasks. Tosca repositories. These store Tosca service templates and artifacts associated with them, facilitating reuse and sharing across different applications and environments. Tosca Simple Profile and Conformance. a subset of Tosca specifications focused on interoperability and ease of implementation, ensuring consistency across different implementations. Tosca compliance and certification defines how Tosca implementations can be certified to ensure they adhere to the standard, promoting compatibility and interoperability between different cloud platforms. Test design in Tosca, strategies and techniques. Test design in Tosca involves creating effective test cases that cover various scenarios and conditions. Here are some strategies and techniques you can consider. Requirement analysis. Understand the project requirements thoroughly. Use Tosca's capabilities to map requirements directly to test cases for traceability. Modularization. Break down test cases into smaller modules or reusable components using Tosca's modular approach. This simplifies maintenance and allows for easy scalability. Data-driven testing. Utilize Tosca's data-driven testing capabilities to execute the same test case with different sets of data. This helps in testing various scenarios efficiently. Keyword-driven testing. Implement keyword-driven testing where test cases are designed as sequences of keywords that represent actions or operations. This abstracts technical details and enhances test case reusability. Test case design techniques. Use techniques like boundary value analysis, equivalence partitioning, and decision tables within Tosca to ensure comprehensive coverage of test scenarios. Parameterization. Parameterize test data and inputs within Tosca to make test cases flexible and reusable across different environments or datasets. Integration with requirements and defect management. Integrate Tosca with requirement management tools and defect tracking systems to ensure end-to-end traceability and streamline defect management. Test case optimization. Review and optimize test cases regularly to eliminate redundancy and improve efficiency. Tosca provides tools for test case optimization and analysis. Cross-browser and cross-platform testing. Leverage Tosca's capabilities to automate cross-browser and cross-platform testing to ensure compatibility across different environments. Collaboration and reporting. Use Tosca's reporting features to generate comprehensive test reports and collaborate effectively with stakeholders by sharing meaningful insights and metrics. Tosca test automation, scripting and execution. Tosca test automation, provided by Tricentis, is a comprehensive tool for automated testing that focuses on end-to-end testing scenarios across multiple platforms, applications, and technologies. Here's an overview of scripting and execution in Tosca. Scripting in Tosca. Module-based test automation, MBTA. Tosca uses MBTA to create reusable test modules. These modules encapsulate specific functionalities or test cases, making them easier to maintain and reuse across different test scenarios. Test case design. Tosca provides a graphical interface for designing test cases using drag-and-drop functionality. Test cases can be structured to cover different test scenarios, data variations, and validations. Scripting language. Tosca primarily uses its own scripting language called Tbox. Tbox allows users to define actions, conditions, and data handling within test cases. Integration with APIs and databases. Tosca allows integration with APIs and databases through its modules, enabling automated testing of API interactions and database validations. Execution in Tosca. Test execution planning. Before executing tests, Tosca allows users to plan test execution by selecting test cases, defining test data, and configuring execution environments. Execution modes. Tosca supports different execution modes such as sequential, parallel, and distributed execution to optimize test runs based on testing requirements and infrastructure. Reporting and analysis. During and after test execution, Tosca provides detailed reports on test results, including pass-fail statuses, logs, and screenshots where applicable. These reports aid in identifying issues and analyzing test coverage. Integration with CI/CD pipelines. Tosca integrates with CI/CD pipelines, enabling automated test execution as part of continuous integration and deployment processes. This integration ensures that tests run automatically with each code change, providing rapid feedback to development teams. Tosca integration, CI/CD pipelines and tools. Integrating Tosca test automation into CI/CD pipelines involves several steps to automate testing processes. Here's a general approach. Version control integration. Ensure your Tosca test scripts are versioned alongside your application code in a version control system like Git. Build automation. Use build automation tools such as Jenkins, Bamboo, or GitLab CI to trigger Tosca tests automatically upon code changes or scheduled intervals. Test execution. Configure Tosca to execute tests in headless mode or via a dedicated test execution server to avoid GUI interference. Result reporting. Integrate Tosca with tools like Jira or TestRail to report test results and track issues directly from the CI/CD pipeline. Environment configuration. Set up test environments that mirror production to ensure accurate testing scenarios. Artifact management. Manage Tosca artifacts such as test scripts and configurations alongside other artifacts in your CI/CD pipeline. Feedback loop. Establish feedback mechanisms between developers, testers, and stakeholders to improve test coverage and reliability over time. Tosca in Agile testing. Benefits and challenges. In Agile testing, Tosca test automation offers several benefits and faces a few challenges. Benefits. Accelerated testing. Tosca's test automation capabilities help in automating repetitive tests, which speeds up the testing process in agile sprints. Efficiency. It enhances the efficiency of agile teams by allowing them to automate regression tests and perform continuous testing throughout the development cycle. Integration with agile tools. Tosca integrates well with agile project management tools like Jira, facilitating seamless test management and issue tracking. Cross-platform testing. It supports cross-browser and cross-device testing, ensuring application compatibility across various platforms, which is crucial in agile environments. Reusable components. Tosca promotes reusability of test scripts and components, reducing redundancy and maintenance efforts across agile iterations. Challenges. Initial setup. Setting up Tosca for agile testing requires upfront effort in creating reusable test modules and configuring integration with agile tools, which can be time-consuming. Learning curve. Agile teams may face a learning curve in adopting Tosca, especially for teams new to test automation or unfamiliar with Tosca's scripting language. Maintenance. While Tosca promotes reusability, maintaining test scripts and keeping them up to date with evolving agile requirements can be challenging. Test data management. Managing test data effectively in Tosca, especially in agile environments where data needs change rapidly, requires careful planning and execution. Collaboration. Ensuring effective collaboration between testers, developers, and other agile team members when using Tosca for automated testing is essential for its success. Tosca for end-to-end testing, methodologies and best practices. Tosca test automation is widely used for end-to-end testing across various applications and systems. Here are some methodologies and best practices for using Tosca effectively. Requirement analysis. Begin by thoroughly understanding the application requirements and functionalities to be tested. This ensures that your test cases align with business objectives. Test design. Use Tosca's model-based test automation approach to create reusable test modules. This involves defining test cases using Tosca's graphical user interface, which simplifies test design and maintenance. Test data management. Ensure that test data is managed effectively to cover various scenarios and edge cases. Tosca allows for parameterization and data-driven testing, which enhances test coverage and reliability. Automation framework. Develop a robust automation framework within Tosca to maintain consistency and scalability across tests. This includes defining reusable components, libraries, and modules for efficient test script creation. Integration capabilities. Utilize Tosca's integration capabilities to connect with other tools and systems in your testing ecosystem. This includes CI/CD tools for continuous testing and reporting. Execution and reporting. Implement a structured approach to test execution, monitoring, and reporting within Tosca. This helps in tracking test results, identifying issues early, and providing stakeholders with clear insights into test outcomes. Maintenance and updates. Regularly update and maintain your Tosca test scripts to adapt to changes in applications and requirements. This ensures that your tests remain effective and reliable over time. Collaboration. Foster collaboration among team members involved in testing by using Tosca's collaborative features. This includes version control, shared repositories, and team-based workflows. Performance optimization. Optimize test execution time and resource usage within Tosca by leveraging parallel execution and resource allocation strategies. Training and knowledge sharing. Invest in training team members on Tosca's features and best practices to maximize its potential within your testing efforts. Tosca for regression testing, approach and implementation. Regression testing with Tosca involves verifying that recent code changes haven't adversely affected existing functionalities. Here's how you can approach and implement regression testing using Tosca. Test suite creation. Organize test cases into logical groups based on modules or functionalities. Use Tosca's Test Suite feature to manage and execute related test cases together. Selecting test cases. Identify critical test cases that cover core functionalities and key workflows. Prioritize test cases that are likely to be impacted by recent code changes. Execution strategy. Execute regression tests after each build or release to ensure stability. Schedule automated test execution using Tosca's scheduling capabilities. Use Tosca's integration with CI/CD tools for seamless automation within the pipeline. Data management. Prepare and manage test data for regression tests to ensure consistency and reliability. Utilize Tosca's data-driven testing capabilities to manage multiple test scenarios efficiently. Reporting and analysis. Review test execution reports generated by Tosca to identify regression issues. Use Tosca's reporting features to track test coverage and defect trends over time. Maintenance and updates. Regularly update regression test cases to accommodate changes in application functionality. Maintain test scripts and data repositories to reflect current application states accurately. Collaboration and feedback. Foster collaboration between QA, development, and business stakeholders for comprehensive regression coverage. Collect feedback on test results to refine and improve regression test suites continuously. Advanced features in Tosca, security testing and API integration. In Tosca, advanced features like security testing and API integration can greatly enhance testing capabilities. Security testing. Tosca supports security testing through various mechanisms such as vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, and compliance checks. It helps in identifying security vulnerabilities in applications during the testing phase. API integration. Tosca allows seamless integration with APIs for testing purposes. It supports both RESTful and SOAP APIs, enabling testers to automate API calls, validate responses, and perform end-to-end testing scenarios involving API interactions. Tosca for cross-browser and cross-device testing. Tosca is quite versatile when it comes to cross-browser and cross-device testing. Here are some key points about using Tosca for this purpose. Cross-browser testing. Tosca allows you to automate tests across different web browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, etc. You can create test cases that run on multiple browsers simultaneously or sequentially to ensure compatibility across various browser environments. Cross-device testing. For testing across different devices, desktop, tablet, mobile, Tosca supports automation on various platforms. This includes simulators and emulators for mobile devices, allowing you to verify that your application functions correctly across different screen sizes and device types. Responsive design testing. Tosca helps in testing responsive web applications by automating interactions and validations across different viewport sizes, ensuring that your application adapts well to varying screen resolutions. Script reusability. Tosca's modular approach to test automation allows for scripts to be reused across different browsers and devices with minimal modifications, thus optimizing test maintenance efforts. Parallel execution. Tosca supports parallel execution of tests across multiple browsers and devices, which helps in reducing overall test execution time while ensuring comprehensive test coverage. Reporting. Comprehensive reporting capabilities in Tosca provide insights into test results across different browsers and devices, helping teams identify and address compatibility issues effectively. How does Tosca support test automation? Tosca is a comprehensive test automation tool that supports various aspects of test automation across different stages of the software development lifecycle. Here's how Tosca supports test automation. Test design. Tosca provides a graphical interface for creating test cases using modules called modules or business scenarios. This allows testers to design test cases without needing extensive programming knowledge. Test execution. Tosca allows for the execution of automated test cases across different platforms and environments, including web applications, desktop applications, mobile applications, and APIs. Tests can be executed in parallel and across multiple configurations to enhance efficiency. Integration. Tosca integrates well with other tools in the testing ecosystem, such as defect management tools, example Jira, version control systems, example Git, and CI/CD pipelines, example Jenkins. This ensures seamless collaboration and automation across the entire software delivery pipeline. Reusability. Tosca promotes test case reusability through its modular approach. Test cases can be reused across different projects or iterations, reducing redundancy and effort in test creation and maintenance. Data-driven testing. Tosca supports data-driven testing, where test inputs and expected outputs are driven by external data sources, example Excel sheets, databases. This enables testers to validate application behavior with a variety of test data scenarios. Reporting and analysis. Tosca provides comprehensive reporting capabilities that give insights into test execution results, including pass-fail statuses, detailed logs, and trends over time. This helps in identifying defects early and improving overall test efficiency. Cross-browser and cross-device testing. Tosca supports testing across different browsers and devices, ensuring application compatibility and functionality across various user environments. API testing. Tosca includes capabilities for testing APIs, allowing testers to validate the functionality and performance of backend services seamlessly integrated with front-end applications. How does Tosca ensure test case reusability? Tosca ensures test case reusability through several key features and practices. Modular test design. Tosca allows test cases to be designed in a modular fashion, where each test case can consist of reusable modules or components. These modules can encapsulate common functionalities or test steps that are used across multiple test cases. Reusable test steps. Within Tosca, test steps can be defined independently of specific test cases. These reusable test steps can then be incorporated into various test cases as needed, promoting consistency and reducing duplication of effort. Parameters and variables. Tosca supports the use of parameters and variables within test cases. This allows testers to define inputs and outputs dynamically, making test cases adaptable to different scenarios without requiring significant modification. Test data management. Effective test case reuse often depends on managing test data effectively. Tosca provides capabilities for managing test data separately from test cases, ensuring that data can be reused across multiple tests without redundancy. Test case templates. Tosca allows the creation of test case templates or templates for test modules. These templates serve as blueprints for creating new test cases, ensuring consistency in structure and approach across tests. Version control and repository. Tosca typically integrates with version control systems and test case repositories. This integration facilitates the storage, retrieval, and versioning of test cases and components, making it easier to reuse and update them as needed. Reusable libraries. Tosca supports the creation and management of reusable libraries, which can contain predefined functions, scripts, or business components. These libraries can be shared across multiple projects or test suites, enhancing efficiency and maintaining consistency in testing. Why choose ProExcellency for Tosca online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Tosca online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expertise in Tosca. ProExcellency specializes in providing training specifically tailored to Tosca test automation. They likely have experienced trainers who understand the tool deeply and can impart practical knowledge. Comprehensive curriculum. They offer a comprehensive curriculum that covers all aspects of Tosca, including advanced features like security testing, API integration, cross-browser, and cross-device testing. This ensures you get a well-rounded understanding of the tool. Hands-on experience. Their training is usually hands-on, allowing participants to work with Tosca in real-world scenarios. This practical experience is invaluable for learning how to apply Tosca in different testing environments. Flexible learning options. Online training with ProExcellency provides flexibility in terms of timing and location. You can learn from anywhere, at your own pace, which is particularly convenient for working professionals or those with busy schedules. Certification preparation. They often offer preparation for Tosca certification exams, helping you validate your skills and enhance your career prospects in test automation. Support and resources. ProExcellency typically provides ongoing support and access to resources even after the training is complete, ensuring that you can continue learning and applying Tosca effectively. Thank you.